G'day everyone, Elliot here from Access Alarms, just coming at you today to show you this cool product, which is the new Fisheye 6 megapixel from TVT. It's been out for a little bit, but pretty recent for us. I've got one set up in the office, but I wanted to show you a little bit about what you get in the package. This one at the moment, $380 plus GST, pretty cost effective for what it does, and let's go through it. So, unboxing the unit. Here you can see, okay. All right, so brand new. Oh, sealed bag and everything. All right. Okay. Pretty straightforward. You can see the unit here. Okay, this is the Fisheye camera. So on here, network port. So plug straight into your network or Ethernet, straight there. Okay, on here we've got 4 alarm inputs. If you want to have any triggers to, I guess, notify you something's going on, or to you can use these if you use the SD card, the inbuilt SD card in the unit. The SD card goes just inside here. We'll open it up. So SD card goes inside there. Okay, so you can use this unit standalone, or you can use it with a recorder. So you've got separate power. You don't need to use it. This unit is PoE powered, so you can just use a standard powered Ethernet switch. 4 alarm inputs. 485, so you can control this from a PTZ controller. Entirely up to you if you want to do that. It has an analog output, so say you wanted to output this picture to a TV. Don't really know why you would want to do that, but you've got that option there, maybe for setup and testing, but these units are pretty straightforward to set up. Now you've got audio out, microphone in, and audio out, so you can actually plug an auxiliary microphone into it. The unit actually has here a built-in microphone. And you can connect an external speaker or an external speaker if you wanted to talk to people through the app. So it has IR LEDs around the outside, so the unit does generate its own infrared light at night time, which is pretty cool. And yeah, 6 megapixel. Let's show you what it does. The normal fisheye mode. Okay. Now you can see on here, you can bring it up like this, which allows you to see 180 degrees at the top. You can see 180 degrees at the bottom. All right, we want to see mainstream, fisheye. You can see here we've got split into 4, now that's working much better. Okay, so we can move these around into 4 images. You can do 16. I don't know why you'd want to move them around, but you can do this one here. I really like is the 4, because that seems to give you all I'm doing here is just moving my mouse slowly around, so you can see the majority of this is quite easy to use. You can use this one to move it around. I want to see that one or whatever you want to do, and it will automatically calibrate for you. Okay. The reason why I like the TVT one, or one of the reasons why I like the TVT camera recorder, is that the TVT system has this only, as you can see on the camera system here, it's showing me cameras 6 of 6, and it's only taking up 1 camera slot. Okay, some of the other competitors, or a lot of the other competitors that are out there, will actually take up multiple different slots depending on how many views you want. Whereas this one because all the encoding is done in the camera recorder, it does it in the camera as well, but it's also simulated on the camera recorder. The camera recorder only needs this center this center image, or let's go back to the main image. So if you go back to just the main, let's go back to just our main image. This image here is what's being recorded on the camera recorder, which means that you have this ability also not just in the live view, but in playback. So if I go into playback quickly, I'll just show you this one. IPC, let's just go back to yesterday and search. Okay, you can see any time during the day, this is, let's just go 9:30, okay, any time during the day, and I can reactivate the fisheye option. So I can look at this as if I was running in fisheye operation. So, and I can just move it like that, just reload it, there you go, and I can move the camera around as if I was there, I was live. Move this around, see what's going on. And this is playing back from yesterday at 9:30. Very, very cool. The other thing it does is if I go back into live display, but you can do this on playback as well. Go into live display. It also records the audio, so I can turn the audio on. So this also has a built-in microphone. You can hear the background noise there. So you can listen into what's going on. Same thing if I go to the playback. It does record the audio as well. I'm pretty sure we've got it turned on here in the office. Not sure. Yep. So you can hear everything going on in the background there. So, okay, cool. So the other thing I wanted to show you was actually using it on your mobile phone. So as you can see here, I've got it up here. You can see in this top corner up here, I've got this. I've got the actual the fisheye camera set up there. So if I bring that up for you, okay, you can see it on full screen. Now I'll just touch again, and I'll just click this mode down the bottom here that says fisheye. Okay. So why the phone's really cool is you can see that slowly rotating because it's got an automatic turn, but I'm just going to turn that off. Now the mobile phone is really cool to show this. If you just double click, now you go straight into the video, which is awesome. So from here I can move it around, see anywhere I want to around the picture, okay, as if it was a PTZ camera, which that's just, for me, that's pretty cool. You can change to another view, which you may or may not like this, which shows you it as if you were around. You can just turn it slowly like this, turn it around, okay, and it'll play back just as it is. All right, you can bring up the 180 degree view like you did before, okay, and we can actually move throughout the office with that 180 degree view. Okay, and you can still do like you did on the screen before, but with the 4, you can sort of position the 4 wherever you want them to go, which is, this is just so cool. And you can do this on playback as well, so I'm not overselling this. This thing is awesome. The other thing that is amazing on your phone, and this is something you really need to either come in here and I'll demonstrate to you, or if I'm out there with you, just ask me to show you. If you hit the VR button, this automatically shows as if I'm looking around the office. You can see, I don't know if it's a bit hard to see on the angles, but you can see as I'm looking around the office, you can see the different, so I can see. So that is a 180 degree fisheye camera in a nutshell. It's for bang for buck, as I said, it's $380 plus GST per camera. Elliot here from Access Alarms. Numbers behind me on the wall, 1300 049 969, or flick us an email here, info@accessalarms.com.au. Cool, cheers.